Hello and welcome back to this training video for the Journey Ecom case study. In this video we're just going to look at adding all of the codes that we need to add, all of the pixel codes and that kind of stuff. So I've got them all listed out, the ones that we need to add. Obviously we're doing this as though it's a brand new site, which it is. So you need to go to Appearance and Theme Editor, and you need to go to header.php. So first thing, you're going to create a new AdWords account because we need the pixel from that. When you go to create a new AdWords account, if you are creating a new AdWords account, it has this stupid thing where it tries to make you create an ad before it will give you. But if you switch to expert mode, it will basically put you into your normal AdWords account. And then from here we want to grab the pixel, so at least I hope we can do that. Create an account without a campaign, there we go. Okay, okay, it's just a dummy account anyway. This won't be the account that'll be used, but I just want to show you where to get the pixel. So we want to go to conversions. I think, can't remember if it's conversions or audience manager, audience list, and we want, so it's audience list, and we want to go here. So basically just want to go to create an audience for website visitors. Visitors of a page URL contains, and then we just want to get, if we just go and open the site, if we just take this here, obviously we've got to do a lot of so we do that. So basically it contains that, it's actually HTTPS, so it can, so anybody who goes to any of that. Membership duration, well, it can go to 540 days, so why not do 540 days? And then we create audience. Okay. Then we obviously we want to get our analytics code, so we want to create a new one, and it'll link analytics and AdWords, and it'll give us one. When we put the analytics code, we can hook that up to AdWords, and it'll be just one piece of code that we put in. So if we go to analytics and we create the new I would highly suggest that you do not create a Google Analytics 4 property, because I don't know about anybody else, but I've not been able to work out exactly how to use it yet. So I've stuck with the one that I do know how to use. So stick with that, and I create universal analytics property only. And the reason I do that is because the reason, oh sorry, I didn't give it a property name, pet friends. The reason I do that is because setting up goals and tracking conversions and that kind of stuff is a lot easier on the old the universal analytics property than it is on the new one. I'm sure there are some people here who, like I said, are experts and completely understand it, but I've not been able to yet, so I'm sticking to what I know. I want to, how do I check all that apply? Well, all of these really. Oh no, except for that, measure lead generation, yeah. Create, okay, accept terms there. Accept that, I accept. Okay, dismiss. Okay, so this is now the global site tag. So as you can see, we get the global site tag, and we want to go and install that in the header of our website. So we go back over here and we look for the head here. So you can see we've got the head, and we install that in there, and that's the first one done. And we just click to update file, and that's the first one done. Connected site tags, no. So that's basically it for that, and then we can also Google Ads linking. So select the Google Ads accounts that you want to link. So if you go back, you can see that it's this one, 6649. That will then link that, and we can link that by calling it Pet Friends, and view all website data, link accounts, and we're done. So that's linked our analytics with our Google Ads. You can obviously set up lots of audiences and stuff for this later, which we'll go through in future videos and everything else. For now, we're just putting everything that we need to basically put in. Let's do the Pinterest one while we're here. So ad code. So you go to business. You're in the ads basically, and you go into conversions, and you go to your tag manager, and you go to add code to website, and you add the code. You take this, and again it says between the head. So we go back here, and we go to where we've just put. So that was the head there. That we've got the analytics. Here we'll put the Pinterest tag, and we'll update the site again, and that one again is okay. Click OK. All of this stuff is to do with running ads later on. You can leave all of this as it is for now. There's going to be a more advanced training on running Pinterest ads and stuff like that, which won't be included in this part of the course. This part of the course is about getting a site up and running, and relying on Pinterest and Instagram and Facebook and YouTube for your traffic. But obviously I'll be creating training which will show you how to run Pinterest ads if that's what you want to do, but it's separate from this. So we then want to go to Google Webmasters, and we can go petfriends.com. Okay, so it's asking us to okay. So this one is asking us to verify domain ownership via DNS records. We'll verify later, or only URLs under this one. I mean, we just want to go for the easiest option really. So petfriends.com. Let's try that. I don't really want to go into the DNS settings. So it's auto ownership is auto verified because of Google Analytics. So done. Already started. Finish verification. Well, I've already done that. Select a property. Verify later. Strange. I've already done it. There. So anyway, it's there. I know it is because. Okay, we're going to do that later. I'm not going to be able to do it right now, but you would need to basically follow this information. I can't do this bit right now because I can't get into the Namecheap account for this particular domain. But you would want to basically just follow the information here. Follow the instructions here, and it's very easy to do. You just create a text record. It's really easy to do, but we'll verify later on that one. But it is there. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Okay. So it's I just clicked on the wrong one. I was quite sure we didn't need to do it. Then we can also actually, while we're doing that, we can go to our plugin, install plugins, and we can go to our sitemaps, and we can get our sitemap from Google XML Sitemaps. So it's sitemap.xml. So we go here and we go sitemap.xml, and we submit that. There'll be nothing there obviously at the moment because we've got nothing on the site. We're not, or well, we won't, actually we do, but it's all stuff that we don't actually want on. It's all old products. Search console is what I've just done, so we don't need to worry about that one. Pinterest, we're done. This one we don't need to worry about right now. That's because the reason it can't do that is because the reading settings, if you remember, we discourage the search engines from indexing the site. You know what? Let's just unchange that. Because we're going to be working on the site quite quickly anyway, and it doesn't really matter if they index pages that we're then going to remove. It's not the end of the world. So we've got analytics done, we've got Google ads done. The last one that we need to do, obviously because we're building this site for somebody else, I've had to get the Facebook pixel. So you go into your Facebook account, you go into ads, and you create your pixel code for your ad account. And you'll get a pixel code like this, and then you also need to do exactly the same thing as we've done so far, which is to go to the head. So if we try to find where the last one ended, so the end Pinterest tag, you know, I'm gonna, because just to be sure, I'm gonna go right underneath the head there. So I'm gonna paste in the Facebook pixel code. And that's that. So that's everything. That's all of the things set up that we would need. It's our Facebook. It is our Pinterest. It's our Google Search Console, Analytics, and Google Ads. And everything is set up exactly as we will need it to do. So that's basically it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next.